Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discover ChatGPT itself. Alright, so I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that has transformed the field of natural language processing. In this lecture, we will explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it to your advantage. So let's start by exploring what ChatGPT is and how it works. Alright, so ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model that uses deep learning to understand and process natural language. It was developed by OpenAI, an organization dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. So, in a simple terms, ChatGPT is a program that can understand human language, and it works by analyzing massive amounts of text data and using the knowledge to generate new text that is similar in style and tone to what it has learned. Alright, so let's proceed to the next question. How to use ChatGPT. Now that we know what ChatGPT is, now let's take a look at how you can use it, how you can use ChatGPT. Alright, so the easiest way to access ChatGPT is through OpenAI website. Alright, so ChatGPT, there you go. So simply go to the website, simply click on the play, simply go to this website. Alright, you can just search ChatGPT and the result will come out. I will click in the first result introducing ChatGPT, and from here you can try ChatGPT. For that you have to create your account. Alright, okay, so we can tell ChatGPT to do anything like coding, compose a song, make a poem, and etc. Like there's a bunch of series that we can tell ChatGPT to do, and it will help you arrange your timetable from work to exercise. So I have showed you how to go to the OpenAI website. I have already showed you how to get started. You just have to click the try ChatGPT, or you can go to OpenAI, and this is the OpenAI website. There's ChatGPT 4 also. You can try that. And when you go to product, there's ChatGPT, GPT-4, DALI 2, and other products. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Now let's see how ChatGPT answer your questions. Alright, so I'm gonna type few questions. So my first question is how to code with Java and CSS for a game. Please show some examples. Alright, so now this is amazing. ChatGPT has blown my mind. ChatGPT has showed me some examples. Coding a game with Java and CSS involves using the Java for the game logic and CSS for styling the user interface, shortcut UI. Alright. Here's an example of how to create a simple game with Java and CSS. This is a Java code for game logic, JavaScript. This is the code, and this is the CSS for styling the UI. Alright, so ChatGPT has given us the example, and I'm gonna type my second question, and let's see how ChatGPT answers your second question. Let's see. Alright, so ChatGPT has answered my question. My question was prepare a travel trip and suggest the destination based on your preferences or provide information about the local customs and culture. So ChatGPT has provided the travel trip, has helped me to plan the travel trip. Alright, so determine your budget, choose your travel date, select your destinations, book your travel more, and let's move ahead to the countries like Japan, Italy, Costa. Alright, so ChatGPT has provided me a plan, and again this is amazing. Alright, so let's go to my third question, which I will ask ChatGPT to do. So I have told ChatGPT to please compose a song for having the best mom in the world. Alright, so ChatGPT has composed a song for me. Verse 1. You have always been there for me through every hardship and every play. You have been my guiding light through every day and every night. Wow, I love it. I love it. Alright, so now let's jump into my fourth question. Alright, so I have told ChatGPT to write a story for me, write a horror story for me. Okay, so sure, this is a short horror story. The Haunted Doll. When Gina moved into her new home, she found an old doll left behind by the previous owner. It was a beautiful doll with big blue eyes and curly blonde hair. Gina thought it was a lovely addition to her collection and put it on her shelf in her bedroom. But strange things started happening after she brought the doll home. Every night, she heard soft footsteps and blinking coming from her room. When she went to investigate, the doll was always in a different position than before. Okay, that is very scary. Okay, so again, I'm impressed. So let's jump into my fifth question, which I will ask ChatGPT to answer. And this question is very important, especially for beginners